Hello traders! In this video, I will continue to update the progress of Forex trading using the Oracle EA Expert Advisor. In my opinion, Forex trading using expert advisors is the easiest solution to make a profit. But we also need to know that we must be observant in choosing an expert advisor. I use broker from Textum. The spread for gold used is only around 38. The profit I got was around $73. The deposit I used was around 315 USD, and I get a bonus of 122 USD. This bonus can also be used to hold floating. So the total equity is currently around 460 USD. If you are interested in Forex trading using Broker XM, you can register from the registration link that I have provided in the description column. For the settings that I use, only change the lot size. I increase lots in multiples of $100. At the moment, due to equity 460 USD, so I use lot 0.4. While the daily target settings, I set 2 USD only. I deliberately set this low to reduce the drawdown figure as low as possible during Forex trading. From the open 0.40 lot, the profit was about 0.40 USD. So at least to reach 2 USD, the fastest open 5 transactions. My advice is not to open too many transactions so that the drawdown that occurs is not high. Okay, as usual, for more details I will switch to Mike's book account. For details, you can watch this video. Trading from February 14th to April 10th, meaning about 2 months running. You can also see the information here. Information on profits, drawdowns, estimated monthly profits, estimated daily profits, and a total trading profit percentage of 30.42%. I prefer to trade like this, relatively stable profits with low drawdowns. You can also pay attention to advanced statistics information if you need it. Forex trading needs to be run on a VPS with very low latency so that optimal profits can be obtained. In the video description, I've also provided a VEPS registration link with very low latency specifications. You can try the trial for free. Next is monthly analytics information. You can see here the profit every month. In February, only half trading month, and in March is the result of a full month of trading. I have shared the preset that I use on the cotrade-e.com website. If you are interested, you can use this preset, of course with the XM broker. You can visit the registration link in the video description. Okay, I think that's enough discussion about Forex trading using the Oracle EA Expert Advisor. Forex trading for beginners, I suggest trying it first on a demo account, at least until you understand how Oracle EA works. EG Trade would like to thank you for the time you took to watch the video review of Forex trading results this time.